Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dartmouth, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving can be a pain. Getting everything packed up and ready to go to your new place isn't an easy job. If you are in the area of Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, you should let 3 Movers take care of it for you. Long, distance, or local, we offer a wide variety of services for residential and commercial customers. Let us be the ones to break a sweat. Weight is a big factor in long-distance moves. In Canada, the weight of your items on the truck is measured to verify the total amount of weight. This is used to get a per-pound quote estimate of the price. Other factors for the total cost include the distance, the number of trucks needed, packing services, and/or special handling for some items, among other factors. Make sure to get a written estimate that includes all the possible charges and check that it notes if it's a fixed or variable price. A good way to get a feel for whether a company is right for you or not is asking for a quote. If a company refuses to do an on-site inspection or give you a written quote, they are not right for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dartmouth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.